Guys, hello guys, I told you guys I'm here to make softwares that will suit you the best. So these are a touch software, one touch software, the sniper entry software. So we have a chat on these other computers. So this is what I've done. I'm done creating this software. You can just inbox me to get the software. It's very efficient and very user friendly. Yep, so make sure you get this software. Yeah, it's very cheap. Just use the details down below in the description. Yep, and get the software. It's very easy to trade, the simplest actually to trade with for beginners and also for intermediaries. Because the only one loss, and you can see the returns are pretty high. Yeah, with only 50 USD you are good to go with this software. You can make as much as you can manage to make, but it also depends on your capital. Yep, so we'll be going live with this software on Instagram. Make sure you go there and follow me on Instagram at VinFX. We'll be going live using this software, so make sure you follow me there and stay tuned. Yeah, and make sure you subscribe to this channel as well. And to get the software, yeah, I'm just done creating this one. Guys, as you can see, we are making the market with this software. As from next week on Monday, I'll be trading using this one and the sniper bot as well. So make sure you stay tuned for this. Yep. I don't know why my chart is not working. It could have displayed better how the trades are taken. Yeah, but no worries. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, comment, and share as well. Thanks. Bye bye.